Hello, my name is Parshivaya. Welcome to these Forbidden Fruits. I just saw either Hunin or Munin. Oh, where is it? Flying around in the back there on this beautiful morning. It's a beautiful morning. Trying to be quiet because I got the plugs in my ears still. Dang nabbit. I don't know how I do this every time, but I do. Just decided to step outside. Think I'll go for a walk outside now. Yeah, now all the sounds gonna come in. Hear the bird chirping in the background. I had to. Oh, wait. Hold on. I don't know what bird this is, but wow, hold on. Very well camouflaged. Is it a bird? Is it a squirrel? What do we got going on? Might just be a squirrely. Oh, it's a bunny. Of course it's a bunny. Do you see what I see? I might be looking right at him, but I can't tell. Of course, I can't see. Oh. Can you see? Can you see who I see? Yes, you can. Anyways, hold on, I'm light this cigarette. For some reason, I thought it'd be a birdie. He or she. I thought they would be a birdie. But they not. There's a bunny rabbit. Yeah, my bummy followed me. Anyways, I don't know what comes before it. What comes before? Clouds in my coffee, clouds in my coffee. But that is the portion of the song that wanted to come through. You're so vain. I bet you think the song is about you. You're so vain. And pardon me, but I haven't warmed up this morning. Oh my. It's just a very beautiful morning, but although there's a bunny, I'm not hearing any birdies. Ears perked up. I've been really trying to keep to the whole not smoking thing. The best I can do is try not to smoke in my bedroom, and then I've been trying not to smoke in the house. I'm weaning. I wait for them to leave. I'll be recording all morning, but these connections, these guides, what else? What do you call this? Like, people don't just walk out of their house, turn around, see a raven, talk about seeing a raven, and then think they see another bird. And it's not a bird, it's a bunny. And then they videotaped bunnies after bunny after bunny, animal after animal. I don't know if he's in the picture still. I really honestly can't see because this, to save battery, oh man, if he's not in the picture, I'll be so upset. to save battery, I've toned it down. But and it's just to have them show up like this over and over again. And there's a black squirrel in the background too. I'm gonna cross the log. Don't know if you can see him. Hopefully he's coming into the picture. And just again and again and again with these animals just popping up. And I think it's because I don't know if it's because I've been isolated from my people, or just people in general. I don't know. We used to have bunnies in a cage behind our house. I don't know what happened. I'm sure we just ate them. No offense to, but I don't remember. And then, I forget, like how my ancestors, how they had to survive. Because they all survived the Depression at one point. Or they all survived famine at one point, or they all survived lack at one point. So how did they have to go about doing that? Well, they had to hunt for their food. I have to pause this because I'm probably going to scare the bunny away. I'm sorry, but I have to pause this because my hand is freezing. It's very chilly. It's below 32 degrees Fahrenheit. So just pardon me, Pete. I just thought about that Peter Cottontail. Hold on. I'm sorry, I had to put it back on black screen, or I had to put it on black screen, but the crow was coming in and I had to have you listen. Probably can't hear me. But the crow was coming in and I had to have you listen, and then I thought about listening to Ice Cry with Steph. And yes, the bunny is still there, but it made me think about Ice Cry with Steph. I have to make sure I'm still recording. Hold on. Where she says, holding onto a cup of something warm, and how that makes you feel like comfy, cozy, homey, at home, in your comfort zone. And I'm holding this cup of coffee, and it says urgent delivery on it, XO, and it's a Santa Claus, like two Santa Claus. It says, "Dear Santa, let me tell you the whole story." How fitting. But I don't know if you caught the crow. God bless me, shaman burbs. Anyway, spirit guides and affirmations, and I don't know, seeking approval is different. I heard this on Dr. Ramani last night. Seeking approval is different than seeking, what was it? Praise. In the way that praise means you want, like, everyone to be like, "You're doing awesome, you're so amazing," and you want, like, hands clapping. And approval is just like you wanting someone to be like, "You are okay, this is, whoever you are, you're just fine how you are. There's no need to be amazing, because flaws and all, it's okay to be not okay." And I don't know what the A word that she used for it, like, there was approval and there was affirmations, I guess, but your I am affirmations. to affirm yourself. I guess that's different than, I don't know. Anyways, Dr. Romney, I don't know, something about it. Just listen to that. I can't tag it down in the description box. I can't. I mean, oh, there he goes. Bye, Bummy. He's still out there, but I can do it. I will be able to do it. I'm going to be master editor, of course. Master builder. Oh, and hold on. I'm opening this up. We're going to zoom out as far as we can because there's another animal out there. You can see it. Do you see it walking? It's white. Yep, you can see it. You have to be able to see it. Oh, it's gone now. Dagnabbit, son of a gun. Anyways. Maybe you did see it. Oh my goodness, I'm so jittery. You had to have seen it. It was a white cat of sorts. Oh, Krista's. Oh, that scared the poop out of me. I know you had to have seen it. Anyways, white kitty cat. Well, you get the gist. On the prowl. Anyways, I love you. I'm gonna let you go. There's just too many happenings. I'm pretty sure you're seeing all the things that I'm seeing, whether I'm seeing them or not. Peekaboo, I see you. Alright, I love you guys so very much. We'll watch this and see this together later, okay? Okay. Talk to you soon. Bless out, Booch. I love you. I love you so much. Verified. Verified. Wee-hoo. Just a scan. Just a scan. Okay? Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself, and I'll take care of me too. Okay? I promise to keep continually trying to do that. I know you will too. We've got this. We know what we're doing. Even if we screw up every now and again, failure, it can happen every time we turn around, but we keep pulling ourselves back up by our bootstraps. And we're going to be okay. Right. I love you. Talk to you later. For sure. Bye.